All right. Morning, Shea, Louisiana. That's where we are. Down there on the bayou. Beautiful day, windy day, but it's a beautiful day nonetheless. So we're making the best of it. Water coming out of here, coming out the pipe right here, and we use the shrimp, market bait. Those are shrimp. So we're gonna see what we can do today, people. Hopefully I can get y'all something. Drove 2 hours, over 2 hours to get here, so we'll see. Hopefully we can get something. Y'all have a blessed Saturday and even better weekend.